Take a square sheet of paper and fold it in half diagonally. Then fold this point like this, leaving a little bit hanging out. Fold everything in half. Fold this wing downward, slightly askew. Leave a little space here. Repeat for the other side, following the first crease. Readjust if needed. Fold slightly like this to create the shape of a wing. Fold the point of the head backwards. Then fold it towards the front a little, like this. Finally, close it off by pulling the head slightly downward, and your bird is done.